Meet Erik Finman, the teenage prodigy who turned $1,000 into millions with Bitcoin. This is his remarkable story. In Post Falls, Idaho, a young Erik showed early signs of brilliance. Traditional education couldn't cage his boundless curiosity, setting him on an unconventional path. At 12, Erik received $1,000 from his grandmother. In a bold move, he invested it all in Bitcoin, then a little-known digital currency. This decision marked the beginning of an extraordinary journey. As Bitcoin's value soared, so did Erik's investment. By 17, he was a millionaire, proving his critics wrong and turning heads worldwide. Erik's path wasn't without hurdles. He faced skepticism and the volatile nature of cryptocurrency, yet he remained steadfast in his belief. Beyond Bitcoin, Erik ventured into tech startups. He founded Batangle, an online education platform, and continued to innovate and inspire. Today, Erik stands as a symbol of youthful innovation. His story isn't just about wealth, it's about vision, courage, and the power of technology. Erik Finman's journey teaches us to believe in our visions. From Idaho to the world stage, he shows what's possible when you dare to dream big. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.